Meaning of hefty.
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 Hefty. The word hefty is an adjective used to describe something that is heavy, large, and substantial. It can refer to both physical weight and figurative weight, such as a hefty bill or a hefty workload. The term often implies a sense of difficulty or struggle due to the size or weight of the object in question. For example, a hefty box might be difficult to lift, while a hefty assignment might be challenging to complete. Overall, hefty suggests a significant amount of size, weight, or impact.